Hello everyone, my name is Dr. David Fakunle. I'd like to introduce the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health. For those of you who are interested in coming to the school, follow me for a little bit. I'm gonna show you what it's really like. Let's go.
For me, coming to a school of public health was kind of important because I kind of wanted to stay grounded in the implications of my work. I don't want to just do science for the sake of science. I want this to impact people.
Hi, Dr. Fallon, how are you? If you can give advice to our lovely audience, what would be that one piece of advice?
You can change the world. This is a great platform to be part of changing the world. But if you come here, you can learn the tools and meet the right folks to bring your passion and your skills and expertise to really make a global difference. This is not like an exaggeration. It's really true.
Passion plus skills saves the world. This is how everybody maintains their energy. Coffee, 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 and more coffee.
So many different reasons to get involved in the community. For one, this is a great opportunity for your own professional development to really get involved in public health on the ground. Mm-hmm. We have amazing assets in our community, and this is your opportunity to engage. If public health is about social justice, no better way to do it than on the ground.
There you go. You heard it there first.
Mic 3 is on. There's a couple of classes that have faculty down here, and they do kind of this like faculty senate thing where the faculty acts as senate and kind of interviews students as though they're, presenting public health policy in front of Congress. So
that's awesome.
Yeah, and students can come down too, as a resource for kind of getting familiar with media in public health. So.
I learned something today. Good to see you. We have a special relationship. Now, you notice I've had a couple of special relationships with professors around here, but Dr. Burke, we on a completely different level.
Public health is not a job. Public health is a vocation. But if you love what you're doing and you love the people you're working with, you have fun. For me, it's never been a job. I love this stuff. And it's the kind of career where you can feel good about what you're doing, work with great people, and do great things. And that's a pretty good combination.
I think so too. That's what keeps me in public health. If that doesn't get you revved up, I don't know what will. We know how important it is to exercise the mind, and we know that Bloomberg is a great place to exercise the mind. But why is it important to exercise the body as well?
You know what? I think the body helps the mind because it clears up. I have some stressful days every once in a while, but it clears my mind.
What would be your biggest piece of advice as a Dean of Student Affairs, someone that they'll probably see during their career? What would be your biggest piece of advice?
I would say ask all the questions you need to know because we got the depth and the breadth. When you compare us to other schools, I would say hands down, we're the place to be.
How we doing? You all have been or currently are leading the biggest and best public health school in the world. What is a day like in the life of the Dean of the Bloomberg School of Public Health?
You're meeting incredible people, faculty, students, staff, one after another, all have interesting stories, and I think that's the best part of being a Dean, right? Yep.
And what was great is you meet people like you who want to make the world a better place. They're all about whatever aspect of public health or human existence they work on, they want to make the world a better place, and they do.
We have so many different disciplines in this institution and so many fantastic faculty and students who are coming from so many different backgrounds and insights that I learn from them every single day.
I think what this school offers is a great breadth and depth of experience. I mean, on any given day, there's so many opportunities, not just you have to go to class, that's important, but outside of class, all the seminars that we offer, get involved with the community, get involved with Baltimore. We've got so many activities that people can get involved in, and it's amazing.
When I was a student, what surprised me the most was that the experience here transformed the way I thought. It changed the way I saw the world. And I think if you come here as a student, I can promise you it will be a transformational experience. You will be able to do things you never thought possible.
They call it Charm City for a reason. There's a je ne sais quoi about Baltimore that if you come here, you'll learn. It never ceases to amaze me that students who come to Hopkins who have never been to Baltimore, they have their preconceived notions, they have their stories, but they leave with a completely different narrative. So that's it. That's our tour of the Bloomberg School. Thank you so much for taking this journey with me, and I look forward to seeing you around soon. Peace.